Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a LinkedIn profile on your PC. For this, open Google Chrome. Now search here and click enter. Click here, sign into LinkedIn. Click here, join now. If you have a Facebook account, you can directly click on it and make it. If you don't, you have to follow these steps. Enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now enter your email. Now enter your password. And click agree. Now select your country and your postal code. And click next. Now if you have a job, you can fill here your job title and the company you are working in. If you don't, if you are a student, click here I am a student. After clicking on it, you can enter your school, college or university name here. Click. Now enter your start year, enter year and year, and click continue. Now the email you entered there, you have to confirm your email to further proceed. Enter your code you received and click agree and confirm. If you want to find your friends through your email address, you can click continue or you can skip it. Here you can see a list of people. You can select any one of it you want to connect. Like this. And click on add 20 connections or you can skip it. You can update your photo or you can simply skip it. Now your LinkedIn profile is created. You can click on me, go to view profile. And this is your profile here. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.